Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. So in the previous video we are solving one of the issue, but now again I'm facing the another issue that is related to the Evernote Android job, this one. Okay, then how to resolve this issue? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So how we are going to solve the could not find method compile for arguments com.evernote Android job 1.1.11 on object of the type org.gradle.api internal artifacts dsl.dependencies.default dependency handle. So we are how to even solve this? Very simple, very easy. You have to go with your modules, that is background task, not modules, React Native background task, android build.gradle file. So I have already opened it. So you go with this part, just copy this with the implementation part, right? Save this, okay, and run the build, okay. And let's check the build is formation or not. Let me give me one more second. I'm just going to connect with my cable. Okay, let's make the build. Nullable headless get and import Android support. Let me check this Android npx this part. But the that issue is not coming that we are facing. Another issue is come, but the previous one is resolved. So let's see another one how we are going to solve this issue in the coming video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.